Coming up, we'll be on location at Beyond Eyecare in Herndon, Virginia, discussing the practice's patient-centric philosophy and how they emphasize dedicating all the time necessary with each and every patient to effectively treat any issues and provide the best outcomes possible with two of this area's top optometrists, Drs. Sami and Dr. Rami Khaldieh. Welcome, Dr. Sami and Dr. Rami, to the Top Doctors Interviews program.
Thank you so much for having us.
Pleasure to be here.
We've got a lot to talk about. You have this wonderful practice, Beyond Eyecare, located here in Herndon, Virginia. You're helping so many patients in the community, not only in Herndon, but throughout the Northern Virginia area, improve their vision health as well. And you really have a patient-centric approach that puts the patient first. You take the time with each patient necessary to understand their needs. That's not common in today's society with, unfortunately, most medical practices. And I wanted to begin with you, Dr. Sami, to talk about your patient-centric vision. If you could share that with us and the community.
Absolutely. Thanks for that question. We are obsessed with perfecting the patient experience. We combine the best of research and technology with a holistic approach to set the new gold standard of care for eye care.
And Dr. Sami, do you mind sharing your personal life journey that helped impact your vision for your patient-centric approach for your practice?
Certainly. Growing up, we were always in and out of the eye doctor's office, really starting around age 5. A couple times a year we would go into the eye doctor's office, and eventually it came down to shadowing a professional to find out what we wanted to do for work. And when I shadowed, I really felt like I could relate to the patients, and I could feel what they were going through because we were going through that every day.
Absolutely, yeah. I had a similar experience when I was shadowing. The most fun part of the exam was just talking to the patients, and in other health professions, you don't necessarily have that luxury.
Dr. Rami, tell us about your experiences and philosophies about what patient-centered means to you.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to. Really, where that starts is the first question in the exam room. What brings you in today? You know, it's impossible to be patient-centered if you're not listening to why the person came in to see you to begin with. Okay, then you ask follow-up questions, and by the end of the exam, when you have a better understanding of everything that's going on with their eyes and their vision, then it's really your duty to explain it to them as best as possible in a way that makes sense to them.
You both were raised in the Fairfax community locally here in Northern Virginia, and you felt a strong sense of community growing up. Can you please share some of those experiences and elaborate on why you have developed that sense of wanting to give back to the community?
Yeah, absolutely. So we both struggled a lot with different eye-related conditions and different eye problems. And we never felt like we really got the best care as far as that was concerned when we were growing up. And so for that reason, I think I speak for both of us when I say we feel a real sense of urgency to provide that to the community in a way that wasn't given to us.
I think all I would have to say to that is we are here for you. Our goal at Beyond Eye Care is to elevate the standard of care so that whoever wants to invest in their eyes can.
I really love that approach. It really puts the patients first. What's the process that new patients can expect when they first contact you?
As soon as a patient contacts us and we make that appointment, we make sure everything is squared away so there's no miscommunication. And from the moment they enter the office, most of our patients are very impressed because we treat them just like family from start to finish.
We spoke with many of your patients, and they really feel that experience of being treated like family. And you're a family practice. You guys are brothers, giving that family experience back to your patients. Are there any final thoughts that you'd like to share with the community?
Yes. Preventative medicine is the best medicine. The way to get started is by coming in for a good eye exam to take care of your eyes.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, especially with something as critical as your vision and your health, just don't settle for less than what you deserve.
Thank you both for joining us, for being a guest on our program today, and enlightening us and sharing your vision for your wonderful practice Beyond Eyecare.
Thanks for having us, and we're really excited to be voted as one of America's top doctors.
It's our pleasure.